Just wherever you want to get. Just...
He's got the zoomie. Oh my god.
Oh, be quiet.
Official sponsor of the NFL. You're stealing my job. I don't want to steal it.
She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what?
Dog. I'm gonna eat you.
Hurry, in here, drop it in here. There you go, good girl.
And I have not behaved one single day of my life, not one day of my life.
Leo! Leo! No! Get down right now.
Please go away. Let me sleep for the love of God.
Was it you, Oreo? Good morning, buddy. I'm kind of scared. Why are you standing like that?
Oh my god!
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
What happened? Look at that. Oh, look at that.
So, I'll find that footage. We'll grab him up. I'm gonna find Nolan before Straight does.
Your fucking branch up there.
Look at this evil dog. Stop being.
Are you trying to steal my man?
Maggie! Oh, my lips just get stuck in my teeth.
Rosters, the Blue Jays decided to go with 14 position players and 12 pitchers.
At throwing things with their mouth. Yep.
And so you ready to spread some love?
I'm about to lock the darn door. Get off. Talk shit.
Treat. Pill. Treat. Treat.
Get in the house if you're gonna whine.
Name is John C.
This is for the neighbor's spare fucking keys, okay? First off, give me that back! Stop.
I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
Smiling girl.
scared of the kitty? Come on.
I know.
That's her butt. Don't touch it.
Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream.
No, buddy, you're not going. Nope.
What are you doing? Het was ja, heel gezellig. Scare him, Toes. Get him. Release that prey drive. Go, baby, go. Scare him. Get him, Toes. Get him. Oh my God!
Love to see what they do.
You want daddy? You want dad? Out the goddamn!
How you doing, brother? Doing good?
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How you doing, brother? Nice to meet you.
Oh, hi.
Hey! So cute!
Go get it.
This is not Starbucks. This is McDonald's.
Maria! What is this? Is this your food?
Sit. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit.
Oh.
Sonny, why are you fucking a human, dude? Can you stop standing, please?
Want me to throw it?
You are not going back outside. No, you're not. You better stop talking back to me.
It's okay, Alfred.
Wow. Excellent.